May 15th, I think.
Yeah.
2013.
2:30.
There's a swarm moving into the top bar hive. Is that lucky or what?
2 years in a row?
I think it's because we got all the kale flowers.
And the blackberry flowers down there. Yeah.
Those aren't blackberries, those are thimbleberries. What a happy gourd. Boy, you can sure hear them buzzing away. They're getting the swarm settling in on the top bar hive. When I first spotted it, they were kind of up in the sky between the two hives. The regular hive, the top bar hive.
And they were trying to make up their mind which
they'd been checking out the two hives for quite a while because they've been visiting because we have all the kale flowers. Got the top bar hive set up on the septic tank, which is actually a grey water tank.
Yeah, there's several thousand bees.
That's a large swarm, man.
Same as last time, I think. Well, we don't know how many have moved in yet. Some have moved in.
Take a look at this. That's the opening over there for the main box.
Oh yeah, look at the opening. I'm gonna zoom in on that. Oh yeah. That's just coated in bees.
It's a large swarm. And the top bar hive will allow us to expand it and make more room.
Yep. You've just got part of it open right now inside? But
Yes.
there was no honey or anything. Any
no
comb?
honey. Comb. A little bit of comb.
A little bit of comb.
There's more comb and more honey in the...
And the other one.
Yeah.
But they've already been mining stuff out of that, but they could still mine.
These ones are coming from a different direction, Anne, than the ones earlier this year. The ones earlier this year were coming from the southeast, and these guys are coming from the west.
Well, everybody said they're swarming early this year.
Yeah. That's pretty cool about the top bar hive.
Yeah. That's a compliment, hey boy.
It is a compliment. 2 years in a row we've had a swarm come and visit us.
No, but they like the top bar hive. Maybe about 4 of them. Nobody's lived in there yet.
Nobody's lived in there yet. What do you think, Anne?